I think another important part of these straws, and it's probably because I'm a little bit extra, but I also like to label my straws. And what I do is I write out what we have on here. I'm actually putting some updated seasonings in my kit. And as you can see, I have like kind of like the expiration of when these happened. And it's just as easy as peeling off your sticker, sticking it on there. Some of these don't like to stay, so it's nice and legible. And then you just literally, for some of these, they don't want to stay. I used to print these out on the printer and color code them and all that kind of stuff, but I found that this took way too much time. To be a little extra is okay, you know, if you want to take the time to really customize your kit to make it, you know, kind of the best kit out there, you know. But I found that works just the same. And yeah, pretty simple, really fast to do. I'll throw another one onto the big guys. And it is good to have some of your stuff labeled. Things like baking soda and a cotton ball and antibiotic cream kind of all are like whitish colors and stuff like that, and they can be kind of confusing to tell. Let's see. Or your Visine cotton ball with a regular cotton ball. You know, they look very similar. And then you have your baking soda. You know, like when you're in a pinch and you're looking for something really fast, it's best to, you know what you're going for, grabbing it the first time, and calling it good. But labels are pretty important.